Okay, so this morning what I'm going to show you is how to make this very easy concertina little sketchbook, which we can use for our kind of daily practice of drawing. Okay, so what I'm using is a sheet of A3 watercolour paper, and you'll just need one sheet to make this one here, which is what I've just shown you, and I'm just holding it closed with just one of Anya's rubber bands actually. So you'll just need an A3 sheet. Okay, so if you've got just A4, you can also use an A4 sheet of paper, but with that perhaps I wouldn't cut it in half. I would just maybe get 2 sheets and just concertina them together. Okay, so the first thing that we need to do is, just move that out of the way, is actually just fold this in half. Okay, so I'm just creasing that along there, and I'm just going to fold it again back on itself, just so that it kind of can tear easily a couple of times. Okay, and then I'm just going to very, very carefully just begin to kind of tear that. So I quite like this kind of rough sort of deckled edge that you end up kind of getting on it. But if you want to, you can just use a pair of scissors to cut that. Okay. Now, what I decided to do was actually kind of to fold it into thirds so that I get a slightly kind of bigger sort of painting area on each page. So for me, my measurement was roughly kind of 12.5 centimeters. So I'm just going to mark one side, and then I'm going to take this half and I'm going to just fold it to that mark. Okay. And then just fold it over, and then fold that one back on itself. Okay, so that's one sheet done. Okay, and I'm just going to do the same to the other side. So that's 12.5 centimeters, and I'm just going to fold that over so that it meets that mark. Your measurement might be different because your size of your paper might be different. So whatever measurement that you have, you just obviously just divide that by 3 to get your correct measurement. Okay. Right, so once I've got my 2 pieces, I'm actually then just going to tape them together. Just going to turn that around that way. Okay, so I'm just using some kind of decorative tape. You can just use sellotape, and that will also work fine as well. Okay, so I'm just going to hold that in place and then put my tape down the middle. Okay, and then I can find my knife, just bear with me for a moment. There it is. I'm just going to cut the excess off at the top and at the bottom. Okay. And then I'm just going to reorientate that. Oops, my tape's just come off, so I'll just put that back on again. And then I'm just going to put another piece down the middle here, just to keep it nice and secure. Okay. Right, and there we have our concertina little sketchbook. Okay, and you can make as many of these as you like. And for me, I will be using the front side of each page, and then I might turn over actually and also use the backs as well. Okay, so what I would encourage you to do this week is actually just to make one of these and get started with your daily practice of drawing. Okay, speak to you soon. Bye.